Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to show pop-up when users select PayPal payment gateway in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snipper. Then you see add snipper. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code, we are going to display pop-up when customer select PayPal payment gateway in checkout page. So in code we added PayPal payment gateway ID. Now scroll down, you see PPCP-gateway. So this is PayPal payment gateway ID. Now go to WooCommerce setting and scroll down. You see PayPal. Now click on it. And then in URL you see section is equal to PPCP-gateway. So this is PayPal payment gateway ID we are using in custom code. Now back to code. In code you see custom text we added for pop-up. Now you see you can add your text in pop-up when person select PayPal payment method, and then you see button text. So you can add custom text according to your requirement, and then you see chosen payment. So this is PayPal payment gateway ID we are using, and scroll down. Now you see again scroll down, you see custom CSS. So you can customize design according to your requirement for pop-up. Now you see again scroll down, you see confirm button, background color dark blue, color white, border font size. So you can add style according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see review and payment tab, so click on it. So this is our product, and scroll down, you see payment gateway, and then you see PayPal. Now select, and then you see pop-up with custom text, and then you see button, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.